As the MCU has grown in quantity, it's also grown in complexity. Some films take place worlds away, but at the same time as events that are occurring on Earth. And some films take place in the far past. There are currently 23 movies and counting, all of them taking place in the same universe and connected by characters, events, and settings. So, you'd be forgiven for being a little confused as to how exactly they all fit together and which order to watch them in. If you're wondering how to watch the Marvel movies in order, I've got you covered. In this video I'll be talking about the ideal way to follow the events in their chronology, along with their release dates, either way that suits best for you, if you're in the mood to binge watch the franchise. This is Sandman and welcome to my channel. Captain America: The First Avenger. Chronologically speaking, the film that is set the earliest in the timeline is The First Avenger. The origin story begins in the year 1940, with Steve Rogers and Bucky Barnes enlisting, and ends in 1945, with Steve's plane crashing, and him being frozen, for the next half-century. Captain Marvel. One of the most recent Marvel movies, but whose events precede those of the main timeline. Brie Larson's pilot character crashes her plane in the year 1989, and is subsequently trained as a Kree, before returning to Earth in 1995, which is the year in which most of the movie takes place. Iron Man. The first Marvel movie released, is third in chronological order, and believe it or not, according to Marvel's own timeline, it actually takes place in the year 2010 and not 2008 when it was released. The Incredible Hulk. This movie is really just a filler in the middle of a greater universe, and it takes place shortly after the events of Iron Man. Iron Man 2. The Iron Man sequel is set in the year 2011. It reinvented Robert Downey Jr. as an action hero and a genuine movie star. Thor. The events of Thor also take place in 2011, around the same time as the events in Iron Man 2, although there are flashbacks to events that go back centuries. The Avengers. When the powerful villain Loki appears on Earth in search of the Tesseract, the fate of the planet hangs in the balance. The Avengers finally assemble in the year 2012. Iron Man 3. The underrated Iron Man 3, which deals heavily with Tony Stark's PTSD from the events of the Avengers, take place in the year 2012. Thor: The Dark World. This movie aims to fill the gap between the two Thor films. The forgettable sequel is set in the year 2013. Captain America: The Winter Soldier. The big fall of S.H.I.E.L.D. is set a couple years after the organization helped form the Avengers, set in 2014. Guardians of the Galaxy. The events of Guardians of the Galaxy also take place in 2014, around the same time as The Winter Soldier. Guardians of the Galaxy, Volume 2. The Guardians sequel takes place a couple of months after the events of the first film. Avengers: Age of Ultron. The second Avengers team-up film takes place in the wake of S.H.I.E.L.D's dismantling in the year 2015. Ant-Man. While the Avengers are fighting off Ultron, Scott Lang is busy becoming Ant-Man in 2015. Captain America: Civil War. The Captain America sequel, that's also kind of an Avengers movie, takes place in 2016, bringing additional characters into the fold, to set the table for Infinity War and Endgame. Spider-Man: Homecoming. The first Spider-Man movie takes place after the events of Civil War, with Peter Parker struggling to become his own hero. Black Panther. 2016 is a busy year in the MCU, as it's also when Black Panther takes place over in Wakanda. Doctor Strange. Doctor Strange bridges the gap between 2016 and 2017, as Stephen Strange's transformation into a superhero takes a bit of time. Thor: Ragnarok. Ragnarok takes place in 2017, shortly after the events of Doctor Strange, as we see Thor visit Doctor Strange on Earth, to try and track down his father. Ant-Man and the Wasp. Despite being released after Avengers: Infinity War, the events of this movie take place in 2018, right before Thanos arrives on Earth, and the film ends with the infamous Thanos snap. Although there are flashbacks to Hank Pym and Janet Van Dyne in the late 1980s. Avengers: Infinity War. The events of Infinity War take place over a very compressed time period, just 24 to 48 hours, in 2018. Avengers Endgame. The second half of the Infinity Gauntlet storyline begins shortly after the Thanos snap in 2018, but after Thor cuts Thanos' head off, the film flashes forward, and is set primarily in the year 2023, although it also sees the characters traveling back in time to events in the years 1970, 2012, 13, and 14. Spider-Man: Far From Home. The most recent MCU movie takes place shortly after the events of Endgame, and is set in the year 2023. That's it. The complete list of movies till Phase 4. Be sure to check out the spin-off TV shows being aired right now on Disney+. Meanwhile, the first movie of Phase 4, Black Widow, drops in July 2021. This way of telling stories had been done in comics, but telling a serialized story across many films with diverse tones and characters was brand new, and continues to be a gold mine of compelling stories and characters. Thank you for your time. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you wanna see more stuff like this, hit the subscribe button, and if you have any suggestions or feedback, please leave a comment. Take care and stay safe.